Introduction to JavaScript and Queryselector. JavaScript is a language that enables creation of interactive web applications. Manipulation of HTML elements is made possible through methods provided by the document object model. One of these methods is the Queryselector. Understanding the JavaScript Queryselector. Queryselector is a DOM method that allows JavaScript to select the first element that matches a specified CSS selector S in the document. This method returns the first element that matches the specified selector or group of selectors. If no matches are found, null is returned. Using JavaScript Queryselector, Queryselector method can be used with different types of CSS selectors, including class selectors, ID selectors, and tag selectors. Examples include document.queryselector div document myClass, document.queryselector myID, JavaScript Queryselector all. JavaScript also provides the Queryselector all method, which returns a node list of all elements in the document that match a specified CSS selector S. Examples include document.queryselector all div, document.queryselector all myClass. Common mistakes and tips. Remember that the Queryselector method only returns the first matching element. Use Queryselector all for multiple elements. Always check if the selected element exists before manipulating it. Queryselector all returns a node list, not an array. Node list does not have all array methods like map. Convert node list to array when necessary. Conclusion: Queryselector and Queryselector all are powerful tools for selecting HTML elements. Effective use of these methods allows manipulation of web pages and creation of interactive user experiences. Always check if your selected elements exist and understand the differences between node list and array.